Hello. Okay, let me explain this to you so you guys know what I'm doing. Uh, I'm doing a challenge from Sporkle. A girl laid out a challenge, and I've done it. I've done this challenge in less than 5 minutes. Is my record? My record's 4 minutes and 58 seconds. So I'm doing it by bouncing around instead of doing it continent to continent. I'm just randomly just picking it, which makes it a lot harder, believe it or not. And I've done this twice now, and both times there was like ads and stupid stuff going on, and I wasn't able to achieve it because of nonsense. So this time I'm just going to get to it. The second time I was blasting through it, and then I said, "Oh well, she was talking, so I might as well start talking." Then I start talking, and of course, with like a minute and something, minute and whatever seconds left, it maxed out again. And then I wound up getting it in like a minute and 54 seconds left or something, but I haven't been able to complete it on the video the first two times. The only reason why I'm even doing this is I'm experimenting. I've never did a video where it had me doing something on the screen and me in the corner. So this is just me experimenting, and I'm just doing a challenge video. So I just wanted to let you know. All right, with that said and done, let's do this. I'm going to talk a lot less this time. Just it'll be a lot easier. Oh, excuse me. It'll be a lot easier. My goal is to get it in less than 10 minutes. If this stupid thing loads, come on. Come on. I don't know why this is taking so long. See, this is the problem. And if I don't make it in 10, then I have to do another preparing security options. Okay, that's great. I don't even know if it's still recording. It probably is. Probably has a blank screen with me in the corner. All right, here we go. Great, it wasted 3 minutes. This is just great. Now, stupid advertisements keep messing this up. Sporkle, for as much as I love your site, you guys are jerks for putting all these stupid advertisements in here. And then you have people trying to make times. This is ridiculous. This is hurting my face. My ears are getting hurt. This thing keeps stopping. Now it's stopped at 14:02. Hello? Hey, look at that. They just wasted like 30 seconds on me. Oh. All right, here we go. All right, that made up for a lot of the time that they wasted on me with those stupid commercials. Lithuania, Ukraine, Japan, Singapore, Phil. Philip. All right, let's see here. Niger, St. Vincent, Cuba, UAE. Denmark, Cyprus, Saudi Arabia. Malaysia. North Korea, South Sudan, South Africa, South Korea, Bhutan. Nope, I got that already. Nepal. There we go. Fiji, Guatemala, Haiti, Jamaica, Libya, Argentina, Laos, Turkey, Alright, I gotta kick it in gear. Here we go. Solomon Islands. Macedonia, Romania, Bulgaria, Moldova, what is that? Burma, Samoa, Nauru, Tuvalu, Vanuatu. What is that? Oh, Botswana. Wow. And that is Sao Tome Principe. That is Micronesia and Papua New Guinea. All right, Malaysia. Nope. Indonesia. That is Coot. And that is, what is that? That is Jordan. Okay. What the hell's going on? All right. I don't know what's going on now. Okay, no, I have no idea what it's doing. This is unreal. I guess it's a stupid commercial again. All right, I don't care. I'm just gonna blast through this. And I was trying to bounce around, trying to do it in less than 10 minutes, but it keeps doing this. If I'm fortunate enough for this to come back up, I'm just gonna blast through it. I don't care. Jerks. A bunch of scumbags. All right, Rwanda. Oh, I already got Mozambique. God damn it. Zambia, Zimbabwe, Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda, Sudan, Eritrea, Somalia, Djibouti, Ethiopia, Kenya. What is that? And that's Dominican. Oh, Democratic Republic Congo. That is Burkina Faso. That is Tunisia. That is Turkey, Cyprus, Macedonia. No, what is that? Oh, that's not Bulgaria. What is that? Vatican. Slovenia? Slovakia? I don't know what that is. All right, Haiti. Oh, I got that already. All right, Ecuador. Peru, Suriname, Guyana. I don't know. I already got that. Venezuela, Jamaica. I got it. Dominican Republic, El Salvador, Honduras, Costa Rica, Guatemala, Nicaragua, Belize, Colombia, Panama. What is that up there? That is what? Bahamas, Grenada. What is that over there? Venezuela? No. Suriname? Maybe no. I doubt that. Grenada? Maybe St. Vincent? Nope. I already did these. Alright, I know what it is. It's Trinidad Tobago. There we go. Alright, that is CAR. What is that over there? Kenya, Mozambique, Tanzania. Okay, India. Alright, Tajikistan. Pakistan. Afghanistan. Turkmenistan. Alright, Albania. Armenia. Azerbaijan. Georgia. Croatia.